Hello everybody, and welcome to Animal Hospital. Some people have been asking me to play this game, so I thought I'd give it a try. I don't know much about this game, but yeah, here we go. Check in Patients 2. Oh? Hey! Hi. I have an appointment. Oh, that's nice. Stamp forms? You're ugly. What? Corey Kenshin?
Guess my name is Corey Kenshin.
I'll be in room 1. Alright, let's check this patient out.
Another one.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow.
Okay.
Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and security cameras for you.
Okay. You don't look normal.
I want to check in as a patient. What are you doing? Yeah, you better. You better get to work, boy. Oh, I know I'm hot. Nah, pick that picture back up. I got room 1. I'm gonna do some freaky stuff in there. Bye-bye.
What? Oh, just pooped all over the freaking video. I'm here for my appointment. What if I let him in? Yo, I'm gonna let him in. Hold on, I'm gonna let him in. Oh, that's so beautiful. You kind of look like, Normal from Garfield. Okay, here you go. Oh, that makes... Yeah, I just realized I gotta go. I'm so sorry. Why do we just have maple syrup? Better, and then I should just shut this door. You look normal, so I'm gonna let... Yeah. Oh. You look scary. You actually look scary. I would not like seeing this running at me. Don't walk in this room. Yo. Okay, okay. Headache. Canadian? Ah, nah. Should be normal. Well, they get mad at me. So, I just went quiet here because I logged in. It's the first, like, anomaly event that happened to me. And I was low-key locked in. Low-key. I'm down, sir. Yo.
I'm going to open new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift.
Oh my god, what's up? Come to my shop.
Nah, you want a heart? Nah, you take meat. Well, guys, I think that's all. I might play this again with some of my friends or with some of my viewers. But for now, that's all. Bye-bye.